What is up, everyone? I am Jamie with Three Little Goats Homestead, and today is a busy day. Today we have dirt coming, which, if you didn't know, one of the most expensive things you could ever buy probably is just dirt. So they're going to start leveling off the pad where we're going to be building the house. And then we just got a call from FedEx Freight that they are delivering the new inverter for the well house. If you guys didn't see any of those previous videos, the well house inverter kind of started smoking, and so we tried to fix it. We ended up just replacing it, so that'll be arriving today on a pallet. So Jesse is starting up the truck, and that way we can get the pallet forks on there, so when they show up they're ready to go, and then the dirt should be coming down the road at any time. Alright, so the forks are now staged, so we're waiting for the FedEx delivery, and the dirt has arrived. So let's go check that out.
Sun coming up and the coffee's strong. Boots hit the dirt, can't stay still long. This land don't care about taking it slow, but we got dreams and a whole lot of go. Digging deep with a shovel in hand, ditches running like veins through the land. Back-breaking work in the August heat, but every inch feels like victory. It's sweat in the soil, callous hands, hammer to the heart of this promised land. Pulling wires, knocking down trees, running on grit and pine wood dreams. We're building more than sticks and stone, we're laying roots, calling it home.
Alright, so right now they just dropped off. There's 3 truckloads here. 3 down, probably a lot more to go. The house corners are set from there. There's a post behind there. That'll be the back corner over there, and then the front corner right in here. So, yeah. Lots of stuff to do. You moved the bulldozer out of the way.
Yeah.
And then at some point, the excavator will go back to its home.
You know, he did ask me if I wanted to play on it.
You know, he asked if you wanted to get to work on it.
Well, I'm fine with that too. But I need some supervision for at least a half an hour.
Yeah, at least a dry course on how to actually run that thing.
Yep.
Or where the dirt's supposed to go.
Yep.
I don't know what we're doing.
But now that it's turned,
There's a chicken laying an egg somewhere out by the creek.
yes, there is.
Or in the hay bale. Would explain why I have like a bazillion chickens and we're only getting like 7 eggs a day.
It'd be great when they hatch. But I'm pretty sure something will take care of that.
Yeah, they'll probably be raptured like they always are unless we capture them and put them in a brooder.
Wow, this is pretty neat.
Getting there.
Old pines falling like they just don't care. Line by line, running that wire, chasing a dream, fueled by fire. There ain't no blueprint for this kind of life, just muscle, hope, and a little fight. It's sweat in the soil, calloused hands, hammer to the heart of this promised land. Pulling wires, knocking down trees, running on grit and pine wood dreams. We're building more than sticks and stone, we're laying roots, calling it home. of this promised land. Pulling wires, knocking down trees, running on grit and pine wood dreams. We're building more than sticks and stone. We're laying roots, calling it home. Yeah, we're building more sticks and stone. This dirt, this dream, we call it home.
First round of dirt has been brought in. They're doing it in layers, so they're gonna bring dirt in, level it off, bring dirt in, level it off, so it can be nice and compact. Now they're going to get more dirt, so Jesse and I have to figure out where we want the front two corners of the house to be. That's where they're gonna go off of everything to level everything. So we have stakes put there, but now is the time if we need to move them or decide to move them, we need to get it done. So let's figure this out. We can kind of work off of that. So we're going 45 feet this way and then 40 feet back. So
This is 45 feet. We could bring that.
you want to bring it about right there? Is that tree going to be in the way?
This is no. I don't think this tree will be in the way.
Okay. So you think right here and right there? Because the porch is still going to be set back a little bit.
How much room do we got in the front?
The pad itself is 30, the house pad is 32 by 40. We're going 40, so we'll have 7 feet
Yeah.
to play with on the front and back.
Yeah, I think right here.
Alright, let me grab this
You
post.
okay with the?
You okay with the space in between the shop and the front?
Yeah, I got plenty of room to do what I gotta do.
Okay. A lot of dirt.
Saved up every dime and dollar, ate beans and rice just to make that holler. Found a spot with a creek and some trees, signed the deed and dropped to my knees. Folks talk about gold or oil rigs, but me, I just wanted roots to dig. That dirt ain't cheap, no sir, it's gold. Worth every blister, every backhoe I roll. It's where we'll build our dreams and more. Raise a porch and babies on that floor. It may look like mud on your old work boot, but the dirt's got heart, the dirt's got roots. It costs a lot, but I don't weep, 'cause forever starts where the land runs deep. Marked the lines where the barn will stand. Told my gal we're gonna build this by hand. She smiled wide with a mason jar, said we don't need much, just who we are. Oh yeah, we're digging in now. Future in the ground, hammer to the sound. That dirt ain't cheap, no sir, it's gold. Worth every blister, every backhoe I roll. It's where we'll build our dreams and more. Raise a porch and babies on that floor. It may look like mud on your old work boot, but the dirt's got heart, the dirt's got roots. It costs a lot, but I don't weep, 'cause forever starts where the land runs deep. Oh yeah, we're digging in now. Future in the ground, hammer to the sound. never die. Yeah, that dirt ain't cheap, but it's worth it.
So the dirt work is officially done. We're technically standing probably right in our living room. Future living room will be.
I think we're in a wall.
I don't know. Just jump through the walls. One step closer. So I will email the builder and let him know that, you know, if he has someone without dirt work done and he needs to skip them and start here, I'd be okay with that. But we are at least ready. We want to get a couple rains in before they do, if they start building early, to really compact it in, because it's still very dry.
Oh yeah.
Very crispy. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, we will have gotten a little bit of rain. We got that quick downpour the other day while milking, but wasn't enough. We need more.
And I may come back in with the sprinkler and
just water it.
Just water the dirt.
So, if we're going to end this because, what?
Did you mention who it was?
You want to show the back of my shirt because it's cooler than the front of my shirt?
If you're in the local area, this is who you should be using.
Mr. Byron.
I mean, they're super professional. Mr. Nick, who was on the dozer all day, incredible. I mean, when they were doing the laser, he was maybe off maybe about an inch on the whole pad without the laser. It was just amazing. Blew my mind.
Oh. So they did a really awesome job.
Oh yeah. And you'll probably see them again because we're going to call them for more stuff.
Yeah, they do septic work. They do all kinds of stuff. So they'll probably be out here more than one more time. So, is the sun?
Yep.
Is the sun backlit?
Yeah.
And now, am I glowing?
Yes.
Okay. But we're going to end this because, well, the girls are waiting for us. We're about 45 minutes late for milking, and they are letting us know for sure it's time to milk. So we're going to end this. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. We put out new videos every single week, and we still have a long way to go on this house build. So we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.